In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Monday.com, specifically focusing on how to wrap column text. So whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to enhance your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through this simple yet essential feature. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening Monday.com and heading over to your home dashboard. You'll notice all your workspaces listed here. This is your central hub where you can access all the boards and work items you need for your projects. Once you're all set in your Monday.com dashboard, the next thing to do is to navigate to the specific workspace you'd like to modify. You can do this by clicking on the desired workspace from the list available on your homepage. This step is crucial because it directs you to the exact project space you want to update with wrapped text. Now that you're in the correct workspace, it's time to add a new text column. On the interface, look for the button labeled Add Column. Clicking this button will present you with several options for different types of columns you can add, ranging from numbers and dates to people and checkbox columns. In this case, since we want to wrap text, you'll need to select the Text option. This setup will allow you to input text entries into your chosen column. Once the text column is added, it's your cue to type in the text content that you want to wrap. Filling in your text here is where you input the detailed information or notes that accompany your project tasks or items. It's worth mentioning here that text wrapping is particularly useful for keeping your entries neat, without needing to widen the column, something straightforward text inputs might sometimes require. Following the input of your text, look towards the top of your column. That's where you'll see 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis menu. This menu usually shows further configuration options for your column. Clicking on it will reveal various settings related to your column management. In the menu that pops up from clicking the 3 dots, you'll see an option labeled Wrap Text. Go ahead and click on this option. Once selected, you'll immediately notice the text inside your column, fitting snugly within the cell limits. This means your text is now wrapped, making it visually more appealing and a lot easier to read without any awkward scrolls. And that's it. You've just wrapped text in a Monday.com column. Wrapping your text can really enhance how your board looks and functions, keeping it organized and especially handy if you have longer text entries. Thanks for joining us in this walkthrough. We hope it helps streamline your use of Monday.com.